In this video, I will show you how to create a guidebook on Airbnb. It's a very handy tool if you want to share your local recommendations or local tips with the guest. To be able to do this, you just need to log into Airbnb from your computer. You can type in airbnb.com, and once you are logged in, you can just click to switch to hosting. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. You can directly type in airbnb.com/hosting, and this is how your hosting dashboard looks like. Once you're here, just click on menu and then click on guidebooks. That will take you to your guidebooks page. Airbnb keeps changing all these navigation steps, but at any point, if you want to go directly to this page, you can just type in airbnb.com/manage-guidebooks, and that will bring you to your guidebooks page. This is where you can create your guidebooks. If this is the first time you're creating a guidebook, you will just see this option. In my case, I have created multiple guidebooks in the past, and you can see all of them here. But let's just click on create guidebook. On this page, you will see two options. The first one is edit title and cover. Title is the name which the guest will be able to see of your guidebook. Cover photo, I've not been able to see any usefulness of this cover photo because it is only visible to you. It is not visible to the guest. So you can choose whatever you want and upload a cover photo of your guidebook. So let's say if I want to create a guidebook for London, and then, I won't bother about uploading a photo, but you can just create a London guidebook. Okay. And then the second option is choose listings. What this does is, if you have multiple listings, you can create guidebooks for different areas and cities, and then assign those guidebooks to those listings. And once the guest books your property, Airbnb automatically shows your local recommendations to the guest. And those recommendations are simply your guidebook. So for example, if I'm creating a London guidebook, I will just go in here and choose all those properties which are in London, and that basically assigns them to those properties. When it comes to adding something to the guidebook, you can just click on add to guidebook here at the bottom, and that brings up 4 different options for you: places, neighborhoods, a city or town, and city advice. The first 3 options are very similar. You can just click on places, for example, and you can just start typing in whatever you want to recommend to the guest. Just like that, you can just keep adding all these options. I will let you play around with them. The last option is the most interesting, and I believe is the most useful one. You can add your own city advice to your guest. When you click on city advice, it gives you 8 options. Getting around, if you have things which you want the guest to know when coming there. Don't miss, customs and culture, ways to save before you book, and you can choose any of these categories and add your advice and details here, right? This is very handy, and I will show you a full list which I have created in the past for my guests who are coming in Edinburgh. You can just click on guide for Edinburgh, and towards the bottom, I have city advice. This is where I share public transport tips, sightseeing tips, or any day trips and all that kind of stuff. Once you have created your guidebook like this, you've added all your local recommendations. Now you have 2 options. The first one is you can share the link with your guest. You can just click on share here and then copy the link. This is the only option I always use, but if you want to email or WhatsApp, you can do that here as well. You can just copy the link and send it to the guest. Although Airbnb automatically is meant to show your guidebook to the guest saying these are the local recommendations from your host, but they don't often do that because they are too busy selling Airbnb experiences to people, I believe. But this is what I do. I always copy this link and email it to my guest. With this link, people can access your guidebook anywhere on the internet. They don't have to be signed on to Airbnb. Okay. You can see it also shows all my local recommendations on the map. People can see it on the map where this is in the city, and it kind of helps them plan their day and my recommendations. The most interesting part, as I said, is towards the bottom is my city advice, where I've added all those things. The other option is you can print it, and for some reason Airbnb has not been able to make it look pretty when it's printable. So you can just click on print and then choose print here. This basically opens the same page in a printable format. It's not pretty, but I believe it is handy for the guest if they want to print it and carry it along instead of having to access that link every time. But you can print it as a PDF or just share it with your guest as a document when they arrive at the property. This is basically how you can create your guidebooks. Once you have created your guidebooks, they will all start appearing on your guidebooks page. You can directly type in airbnb.com/manage-guidebook and that will show you. At any point, you can just click here and share the details with your guest. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is bothering you on Airbnb. Until next time, bye-bye.